Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of PHP and MySQL for beginner series, and in this video we will be talking about how to update data using PHP programming language and through SQL query. So let's start. You have to create another file and press Ctrl S and give it name to update.php. You can give any name according to your need. Press save button, and here you have to use PHP opening tag and PHP closing tag, and now you have to write a statement, create connection of your project with database. So I have go to register.php and copy it and go to again update.php and paste it here. So this line will create our connection with our database, and next you have to type only a query, a variable like query is equal to double quotations, and at last make sure to put semicolon, and you have to type update. Now you have to type your table name. You know that our table name is students, so you have to type in your coding part student. Sorry, our students is in lowercase students, and now you have to type a keyword set. Now you have to type a column name, that which column you want to update. Like I want to update this record, second row, and which is Ali. So you have to type here name, because the column name is name. And now is equal to single quotation, you have to type the new name, and let I change my name to Imran, and now you have to type where in uppercase. The words you can see in red color, these are SQL statements, these are SQL keywords. You can type that keywords in lowercase and as well as in uppercase, but I recommend you to use this uppercase, but you can use in lowercase, this is your choice. Now where ID is equal to, because our second record ID is equal to 2, so without single quotation you have to type 2. So in the next line you have to only run query, so run is equal to MySQL, and you have to pass two parameters like connection and next your query, and make sure to put semicolon at the end. And now I check that if $run is equal to true, I mean the data have been updated, then you have to echo the data is updated successfully, and else it means that if data did not updated or if there is any error, you have to echo operation failed. So press Ctrl S, save, and open your browser, and here you have to type localhost, I mean the name of your server, / your folder name which is cubic soul, and again / the name of your file. So our file name is update.php, so you have to type update.php. So you can see that it shows me the data is updated successfully. Go to PHP MyAdmin and you can see that now it is Ali. So when you refresh your page, you can see that it has been changed to Imran. If you want to update your name, and as well as you want to change your father name, you have to go to your coding part, and in this section after name you have to type only the column name of other, which is father name, and is equal to again single quotation, and in this section you have to give name like Imran Ashraf. So press Ctrl S, save, and refresh your browser. First of all you have to execute this file. When I refresh, you can see that it again shows me that the data has been updated successfully, and go to PHP MyAdmin and refresh your browser. You can see that Imran Ashraf. So we have successfully updated our two column names in our using PHP MySQL. So if you have any question about this tutorial, please ask us in the comment section or directly WhatsApp us, and share this video with those friends who want to learn PHP from 0 to advanced level. And finally, thanks for watching.